So today we are road tripping with our friends Chris and Michelle of Sailing Vessel Andromeda. So what are we doing on this adventure today?
Driving on the wrong side of the road.
And right now we have a choice to go on the north end of the island. There's Preacher's Cave and the Sapphire Blue Hole that Shelvin from Pinder's Taxi just told me about. But we can do that now or later.
We decide to cover the north side of the island first and start with Preacher's Cave.
What's the history of this thing? Anyone know?
Yeah.
They like throw people down the hole or something?
No, they shipwrecked here.
From Devil's Backbone.
They shipwrecked on Devil's Backbone coming from Bermuda to escape religious persecution. And then they lived.
This cave has a remarkable history. The story begins in the early 1640s, when a ship carrying 70 individuals departed from Bermuda in an attempt to escape religious persecution. While underway, the group encountered a storm, and the vessel was shipwrecked on nearby Devil's Backbone Reef.
Yup, the same reef we passed through in order to get here.
The survivors quickly found this cave nearby and established a permanent residency within it, which lasted for years until the people slowly began to move out and settle in the surrounding area. They were officially the first European settlers in the entire Bahamian island chain. Over time, researchers have discovered that a more ancient people, the Lucayans, also used Preacher's Cave for various purposes, both as a home and burial ground for several hundred centuries before the European settlers arrived.
Following the story of how this colony of people lived in this cave, your imagination starts to run a little bit wild. And I'm looking at this hole in the rock here and wondering what it was used for.
We're back on the road again, with our next stop a visit to a famous sinkhole, also known as a blue hole. Containing both fresh and salt water, the hole was formed during the Ice Ages, when the sea level was 100+ meters higher. The swirls on the water's surface and the light and reflection of the trees is beautiful to see. We're back on the road and are headed for a serious change in scenery at our next destination, Hatchet's Bay Cave. This cave, unlike Preacher's Cave, the one we visited earlier today, is completely below ground. It extends 1,100 feet with over a mile of twisting passages. We've never had the opportunity to explore anything like it before, so we're pretty excited.
Oh my god!
You shit on me, Beth.
What? Oh! Goodbye, light. Hello, darkness. Man, if you were claustrophobic, this would not be good.
This orange like string is kind of like marks the main path.
Like safety in case you get
Because
lost.
there's a lot of other pathways off of this main path.
Let's turn up a little light and see what happens.
No, let's not.
That. You know, it'd probably be the darkest you've ever seen in your life, though. I don't think it's that scary at all. It's just a cave.
Well, then we'll...
I think you guys have more of an imagination than I do.
There was way less bats last year.
They made like a little hole into...
Oh, that's creepy.
I wonder where that other ladder was down to the basement.
There's a basement in this cave?
Yeah, there's like an underground river.
Are you okay? What did you just hit?
I didn't hit anything.
What was that sound?
I don't know. You hear something?
Yeah.
Oh, that's the fucking monster that lives in there.
Ah! Will!
Did you lose the string? Where's the string?
Yeah, let's not get lost here.
That looks like some vampire shit. Oh, here's the ladder into the basement. Michelle went down there to check it out last year. I didn't go down.
There's water down there?
Yeah, it goes out to the ocean.
Down there?
Oh my god.
Full of water.
Ugh.
Wanna go down there, honey?
Nope.
No?
Here's the string.
Wanna go back to the cave?
No, I do not want to go back through the cave. Goodbye, cave.
What a way to end the day. Join us next time when we say goodbye to Eleuthera and set sail northwards. We begin the initial phase of preparing for our upcoming passage to Canada, but also squeeze in time to enjoy the Bahamas before it's time to leave for the season.